My name is Farouk Abrams. I'm the sales director at Weba Chute Systems. We don't sell chutes. We sell an engineered bespoke solution. Each chute is tailor-made for a specific problem identified by either the client or ourselves. Each of the 5,000 plus chutes installed globally is a unique solution to a specific transfer point problem. As a good corporate citizen, Weba embraces the triple bottom line and focuses on people, the planet, and profit. We believe that profit should be made in a responsible and sustainable manner. Our chutes are designed to reduce the environmental footprint and social impact on employees and communities. Internal dust control studies conducted confirms reduction in dust due to less spillage, resulting in less air pollution. Less air pollution means better working conditions for employees as well as better living conditions for communities in the surrounding areas. Weba has become more environmentally aware and is proud to reduce our own carbon footprint by converting our manufacturing facilities in South Africa to solar power.